Alright, let's change the fuel filter on our 22 Duramax 2500. And it is right above that bucket there, so give you guys some reference where it is. Driver's side. Alright, there it is. You're going to need a 36 mil socket. Okay, get the 6-sided one. Get that on there. Crank that off. You also have the T30 here. You can unspin to get the water out in between fuel filter changes. Okay, so this filter's got 24 or 25,000 kilometers on it. It's at 28% life. So let's get this off, see what it looks like. Okay, we got the filter out and the housing, and so much diesel came out. Looks like maybe I don't know, half a liter. So let's get this filter out and I'll show you the new and old one. All right, so there's the original one that came from the factory, and here's the new one. Obviously it looks a lot different, but there's the part number. Okay, and it looks like it comes with a small and a large O-ring. So I'll replace that one. Okay, I spoke too soon. The other O-ring goes on the actual housing there, not the filter. So one on the intake stem thingamadoo, and one there. Okay, I got the filter in and the new O-ring on. The other O-ring on that stem on the truck. And what I noticed is, put this guy on, push these two pieces together, the filter and the housing, and it'll make a nice loud click. Okay, just make sure you torque these back to the spec on the lid here. That's for this screw. There, we've got that all torqued back into place. 25 and 5. So let's go inside the cab and get this thing primed. Show you how to do that. Right, so it's telling me to turn this on and leave it on for 30 seconds. Says we should hear the fuel pump priming. Alright, let's try this again. I'm going to hold it down for 30 seconds. Alright. I don't know if you can hear that. That's the lift station pump. Okay. So I read in a few forums it says to do this 3 times. Oh. Definitely hear some air coming out of somewhere. All right, here's the 3rd time. Okay, I don't hear that primer thing going off, so let's see if she'll start here. Foot on the brake. Let's give her a go. And she fired up. Alright, well, I guess the one last thing to do is, so there's the mileage on that filter. So let's go So it was at 27%. Let's reset it. Yes. Okay. Let's go back. Yes. Okay, I don't know why it's not resetting, but scroll up and down a few times here. Just using the button here. I'm going to turn it off and see if that fuel filter is reset. Just open and close the door. I don't know why. It seems to help reset things. Foot on the brake. Push the button. Okay. Now let's that's blurry or that's just my eyeballs. Alright. There we go. Fuel filter reset. Anyways, hope that helped you.